So you might be trying to go through and actually delete TikTok now. So maybe you want to disable it for the most part. Now there isn't really a way to turn off TikTok now, but there is a way to remove and stop the specific notifications of TikTok now to continue to keep bothering you. So as you can see, I can't really go through and just remove this specific option. I can click on friends, I can still view other people, and I can still have that search bar thing. But if you want to go ahead and remove the notifications that keep bothering you, what you can do is you can make your way over to your profile page like this. You then want to go and click on the three lines that are in the top right corner right there. And what you want to do here is you want to go and click on settings and privacy. So go and click on settings and privacy. And what you can do here, I guess some people like my video, what you can do here is you can go and click on push notifications, which is right there. So go ahead and click on push notifications and you will come into this prompt. Now what you want to do here is you basically want to scroll down until you see TikTok now. Now what this is going to do is it's going to tell you daily notifications. It says you'll receive a notification to post your now together with your friends every day at a random time. So now all you have to do is go ahead and come here and you can just delete and turn that off. Now in this case, I already have all my notifications for this account turned off. So all you have to do is go and just turn that notification off and that is it. You will now no longer be notified of TikTok now. You'll still be able to post if you want to, but you just will turn off those specific notifications. So that is pretty much how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.